Okay, so we've had a little bit of an update from GoPro about its new cameras. This announcement flew under the radar a little bit and I missed it. It happened a few days ago, but it gives us a few more tidbits into what we can expect and, more importantly, when we can expect it, along with the announcement that we are going to see these cameras for the first time at NAB in Las Vegas later this April. There was also some new footage as well, which you're seeing right now. Now, the thing that separates this footage from the previous footage that we've seen is that this set of footage is clearly taken from different cameras. We very clearly got footage from the more professional camera, or the cinema camera if you like, but there's also clearly footage here from the HERO14. There's some underwater footage, and we know that the cinema camera or the professional camera isn't going to be waterproof in any way, or it's unlikely to be waterproof. So I think what we're seeing here is footage from both the professional camera and from the HERO14, and personally I think both are looking really good. Nick Woodman said in the announcement, our customers have made it clear that they want more of everything from GoPro: larger sensors, world-class low light performance, higher resolutions and frame rates, next level image quality, improved audio capabilities, longer run times and bulletproof reliability in high heat conditions, everything and more. And that's exactly what we're giving them with our newest line of GB3 powered cameras debuting at NAB this April. And the press release goes on to say, the upcoming debut marks one of GoPro's most significant product launches ever, showcasing bleeding edge advancements in low light performance, resolution, frame rates, image quality, runtimes, thermal performance and more across multiple new cameras, highlighting the benefits of GoPro's latest GP3 image processor to a new tier of professional content creators who only demand the best. Now, obviously, you know, we've got the usual PR phrasing of stuff here. They're obviously going to big things up. But I think looking at the footage, there looks to be some substance behind it as well. You know, some of the footage of the car going along, it does look really good to my eye. And I think, you know, what we're going to see here is something on a very different level to what we've seen from GoPro in the past. Now, obviously, the question is, you know, we still don't know exactly what form this professional camera will take. And there's also the question of how well it competes with existing offerings and what it gives you over and above those. You know, why would you go to a GoPro cinema camera rather than Blackmagic or Sony or any number of other different manufacturers? So we've yet to see that, but the footage that we've seen, I think, is very promising. And to be fair, there is always room in the market for another offering, and I like to see competition. This is just added competition over and above what we see from Sony and such like. So if it's a success and it sells, and it turns around GoPro's fortunes, then I'm all for that. That sounds good to me. Now, Nick Woodman also added at the end, come visit us at NAB to get a first-hand look at the world's most capable, compact, professional cameras. You know, that does still throw up the questions of just how compact this thing is. But I have to say, looking at the footage that's been released, the stuff that I think is from the HERO14 is also looking particularly good as well. So one thing I've always liked about GoPro cameras is the color science. I think the company's always done really well with that, and you know, GP log does grade really nicely. So you know, this is one thing that GoPro I think has always had over and above its competitors. No matter what you say about reliability, no matter what you say about low light performance, in good light, the GoPro cameras do still produce, in my mind, the best quality color and, you know, just overall effect. I've always found that the GoPro cameras are the most naturalistic looking image when you grade them. I'm not talking about the standard color profiles, I'm talking specifically about GP log here. So if GoPro is taking that knowledge and putting them into these new cameras, you know, I think these are going to be devices to take seriously. Now, I know from the comments, you know, I've seen comments on the previous videos that I've done. It's somehow popular to be a GoPro basher. I'm never really sure why people get so emotional about companies and cameras in this way. It's always funny to me. I don't wish for any company to do badly. I want to see companies do well. And it is clear that competitors have, you know, advanced quite a long way with, you know, the Ace Pro 2 and, you know, DJI's Action series. You know, they've pushed things quite a long way in terms of low light performance and that sort of thing. And therefore, people who used to use GoPros have moved over to those devices. You know, they have better battery life as well. But that's not to say GoPro can't come back. And, you know, if these new cameras put GoPro back on the map, then I think that's a good thing, and it puts more competition onto the market, and it pushes other manufacturers to up their game as well. So to my mind, what I'm seeing here bodes well and is very positive. And, you know, I'm looking forward to seeing what these cameras can do. So this is just a short update to keep you abreast of things. I do have more tutorial stuff coming up as well, but I just wanted to update you on the latest on this new camera. I know at the moment my channel is becoming a bit GoPro focused on these new cameras, but I think they are very important releases. But anyway, that's it for now. And if you do like my content, please do like and subscribe, and maybe click the notification icon, because that will keep you up to date with any new videos that I release. And I'll see you all in the next video.